Hi guys, just a quick unboxing and first impressions video of a new watch that I've just got in the post. You can see here it's a Squale, and it's the Squale 1521, the one with the blue face, but it's not the polished version. It's the satinato version, which is a kind of bead blasted effect. So I'll just open it up and let you guys have a look at it. See what the first impressions are. Oops, 2 seconds. Strap, here we have it. Nice. It's running already. Whoa, look at that blue. See, normally this watch has got the polished case size and case back. You can see in this case it's satinized, it's kind of bead blasted. It's actually really nice. It doesn't seem to reflect any light at all. It seems to soak up all the light. It's in very good condition. You see the screws on the side of the bezel there. You just you loosen them and just pop out the bezel, which is quite handy. I must admit the case design is beautiful. Squale used to actually design the cases for Blancpain back in the day. You can see it's got the name Squale along the side. It's a beautiful watch. It's running an ETA movement inside 2824, I believe. I love that orange, the orange minute hand. That's beautiful. I haven't had a lume shot yet. That's my first time I've opened it and had a look at it. They've got it in this lovely tan strap, which is beautiful. I think that's a Squale strap, not sure. Oops. Yeah, you can see the logo on the buckle there. The case back, sapphire crystal. It's an automatic, obviously. 50 atmos, so it's 500 meters water resistance. So it's got some serious diving pedigree. And the Squale logo, Squale meaning shark, obviously. It's quite interesting having the crown down at the 4 o'clock position. It looks slightly as if it would be a wee bit footery or tricky to access if you were in a hurry, but I'm sure it won't be. But it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Anyway guys, you can let me know what you think. It's the new Squale 1521 limited edition satinato, and this is Hextron signing out. Bye.